Now it is.
I'm burning with Showtel, and we're taking the digital TV converter box apart today. There's the insides of the digital TV converter box. The power supply board goes in 110 and comes out 12.
Hello. I'm just looking.
And there's the digital, the part that actually does all the work. I didn't do that to you.
Hey. Alright. I'll be fine with it. You can do it to me. We're both. Hey, it's both our YouTube channel. It's both our YouTube channel.
There it is with the front off of it. Now we're going to take out these two boards. First pull out both of the plugs. There's two screws on this board I see.
Low battery run.
There's two more screws on the back. Take them out and there's speed. Should have everything apart.
Low battery lights on.
You can go ahead and cut it off then.
Sorry about the inconvenience, but I got a low battery, so I got to cut it off. We'll continue at a later date.